All right, so today is another combination lesson. We're doing 6-5 and 6-6. So starting with 6-5, it is the same stuff. It's the exact same stuff that we've been learning. It's almost like that review. It's just going over all the different types of, not types, but multiplication with 2 digits, with 3 digits, and with 4 digits. It's the same process. It's just doing it more than once. It's doing it over and over. So if I were to start by doing 69 times 3, I go up, I go over. That's it. 3 times 9 is, I write my 7, I carry my 2. 3 times 6 is, plus 2. So my answer is 207. What about 135 times 4? 4 times 5 is? Okay, right, my 0, carry my 2. 4 times 3 is? Plus 2. Write my 4, carry my 1, and then 4 times 1. Plus 1, 540. It's the same thing, it's just now I have another extra step of doing before I'm finished. What if I have 1,450 times 2? 2 times 0 is 0. Nothing else to do there but write a 0. 2 times 5 is, write my 0, put the 1 over the 4. Now I do 2 times 4. 8, add my 1, 9. 2 times 1, 2. 2,900. So it's the same thing. I just go up and then I go diagonal, making sure everybody has a turn. And I never forget to add on top. Those are still mistakes that I see happening. So stay alert when you're doing that. Let's do a couple more to practice. What about 48 times 9? 48 times 9. 9 times 8 is?
72.
Write my 2, carry the 7. 9 times 4 is? 36 plus 7.
53. What? No. 43. 43. 43. 53.
Guys,
43.
9 times 4 is 36 plus 7. It's not plus another 10. It's going to be a 4.
D3.
432. Okay, what about 276 times 6? 6 times 6. 6 times 7
42.
plus 3.
45.
6 times 2
12.
plus 4.
16.
1,656. Okay, let's do one more. Big one. 1,450. Same guy as before, but this time times 4. 4 times 0. 4 times 5. 4 times 4.
16.
Plus 2. Carry my 1. 4 times 1. Plus 1. 5,800. Okay? That's it, guys. That's it. You just got to remember to add the extra stuff and just make sure that you go up and then you hit each one. And it's only the last one where you're writing the full number. So, moving on to 6-6. Missing or extra information. This is all word problem. Now, the trick to doing this correctly is to read it first. And I highly recommend using a highlighter. Chair. Because that's going to be your biggest help. When we're talking about missing or extra information is not such a big deal. That means I just got to figure out what it's not needing and I can get rid of it. But missing information, I have to be a bit more aware of what it's asking and not just assuming it's given me everything I need. Sometimes it doesn't. So, a pocket bike is smaller than an average-sized family car. The length of a pocket bike is 38 inches. The height is 19 inches, and the weight is 39 pounds. The length of the family car is 5 times the length of the pocket bike. How long is the family car? Okay, first, I need to identify the question. What is it asking me? What is the question it wants me to solve?
38.
No, what is the question it wants me to solve? Ben?
How long is the family?
How long is a family car? It's asking me about length. That's all it wants me to do. So it says the length of a pocket bike is 38 inches. Okay, I need that information. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write it down. A pocket bike is 38 inches. The height is 19. Does that matter? No. The weight is 39. Does that matter? No. The length of the family car is 5 times the length of the pocket bike. So FC, family car, is 5 times PB, the pocket bike. This is algebra here, guys. The family car is 5 times the pocket bike, which means all I have to do is solve 38 times 5. 5 times 8 is? 40. 5 times 3 is?
15.
Plus 4?
19.
Okay, so how long is the car?
190.
190 inches. A sturdy dog crate weighs 29 pounds. It costs $68. Wendy has 3 dogs. How much will she spend on crates if she buys one for each dog? What is the question? What am I trying to solve? Yeah?
You're trying to solve how much she will spend.
Spend. How much will she spend? So all I care about is the money. That's all I care about. So does it matter that it weighs 29 pounds? No. What matters? That it costs $68. And she's getting one for each dog. Do we have the information for how many dogs she has? Yes, 3 dogs. So you should be highlighting. You should be highlighting it costs $68 and Wendy has 3 dogs. Because all I need to do to solve that is 68 times 3. What's 3 times 8?
24.
What's 6 times 3?
18.
Plus 2.
20.
20. So she's spending $204. Okay? Nikki is 3 months old and 21 inches tall. Her father, Miles, who is 25 years old, is 3 times as tall as Nikki. How tall is Miles? What is it asking me? What is the thing I have to solve? How tall is Miles? That's what I need to know. Well, how tall is Miles? Miles is 3 times as Nikki. So M equals 3 times N. Do I know how tall N is? Do I know how tall Nikki is?
Yes.
She is 21 inches tall. N equals 21. Does it matter that she's 3 months old?
No.
Does it matter that he's 25 years old?
No.
No. All I care about is their height. So what am I going to do to solve it? 21 times 3 is what it's asking me. 3 times 1? 3 times 2?
6.
So he is 63 inches. A rectangular pool is 45 feet long. What is its perimeter? What is it asking me?
What's the
It's asking me the perimeter. And to find perimeter, what do I have to do? I have to add up all the sides. Now, a rectangle looks like this. That's a rectangle. This is also a rectangle. This is also a rectangle. So I can never tell how I could divide it up. I have only been given that it is 45 feet long. A rectangle has a length and a width. A length and a width. Now I know that L is 45. Do I have the width?
No.
No. If this were a square, would this be a problem?
No.
No, because a square is equal on all sides. But a rectangle, I can't just say that a rectangle is half the length. I can't say it's a third because it's different. Every rectangle is different. A rectangle's description is 2 sides that are the same, but not equal. So these are the same, and these are the same, but they are not equal to the other. So guess what my answer is?
No.
Not
Enough.
enough info. I cannot solve this. It is impossible. They have not given me the information I need. Now, you cannot just go and read every word problem and be like, meh, not enough info. That's a cop-out. Can't do that. You got to actually look for it and highlight. That's why I have drawn these out. I know that each side is 45 in length. But a perimeter, I have to add this and this, so I have part of it. But then I have to add this and this. I can't. Because I literally do not have enough information. But I have gone through great lengths to make sure that I don't have enough information. Okay, I'm not just gonna be like, not enough info, sorry, I can't do it. Can't approach it that way. So let's do one more. Dry dog food comes in 6-pound bags that cost $15 each. How many pounds of food are there in 7 bags? What am I finding? What is it I'm looking for?
6 times 7.
What is it that I'm actually looking for? I'm looking for
You're looking for how many bags?
pounds. I'm looking for pounds. That's what it's asking. How many pounds? Do I care that they cost $15? No. All I need to focus on is the pounds. 1 bag is 6 pounds. That means to find how many are in 7 bags, I need to do 6 times 7, right? What is 6 times 7?
42.
42. So there are 42 pounds in 7 bags of food. Most of the time, the information is there. Sometimes they're going to be a little mean and try and hide some of the info. That's why we have to be really careful that we're looking around, making sure. Okay?